Welcome everyone. Since solid-state batteries have always been better than lithium-ion batteries, it's always been a wish of mine for solid-state batteries to get to the point of being used in everyday electric vehicles. But challenges such as technical challenges, infrastructure compatibility, and more, which we will talk about soon, always made it impossible until recently. We've been hearing some exciting news about this, which we will be talking about and more. So, sit back, watch till the end, so you don't miss the upcoming facts as we dive deep into the topic. To begin with, solid-state batteries are rapidly emerging as the next major innovation in battery technology, potentially reshaping the landscape of energy storage and electric vehicles. After all, battery technology has always been a cornerstone of modern innovation, as the evolution of batteries dates back to the early 1800s when Alessandro Volta developed the first true battery, the voltaic pile. Fast forward to the 20th century, and the invention of the lithium-ion battery in the 1970s by John Goodenough, Stanley Whittingham, and Akira Yoshino marked a significant leap forward, providing higher energy density and the convenience of rechargeability. By the way, guys, if you're new to the channel and are enjoying the video, please consider hitting that subscribe button as we are aiming for 1,000 subs by the end of the year. Despite their widespread success and integration into countless devices, lithium-ion batteries have limitations, including safety risks due to flammable liquid electrolytes, relatively short lifespan, and moderate energy density. Due to this native points, development of solid-state batteries was made to address them. The point is, solid-state battery is a technology that substitutes the liquid electrolyte with a solid, non-flammable material, which is what electric vehicles are supposed to use. After all, solid-state batteries offer several advantages over their lithium-ion counterparts. Firstly, they are inherently safer. The absence of liquid electrolytes eliminates the risk of leakage and significantly reduces the likelihood of fires and explosions, which is a concern that has plagued lithium-ion technology. Secondly, solid-state batteries promise higher energy density. By utilizing solid electrolytes, which enable the use of lithium metal anodes, these batteries can store more energy in the same amount of space, enhancing the efficiency and range of electronic devices and EVs. Even on top of that, solid-state batteries boast longer lifespans. The solid electrolyte is less prone to the formation of dendrites, which, if you don't know, are microscopic, needle-like structures that can cause battery failure, thereby increasing the longevity and reliability of the battery. This durability is particularly crucial for EVs, where battery degradation can significantly affect performance and resale value. As for its history, the whole thing began in the mid-20th century when researchers were first intrigued by the potentials of solid electrolytes. Unlike traditional liquid electrolytes, solid electrolytes offered the promise of safer and more efficient energy storage. As a result, more research was done, which led to significant advancements as scientists discovered and experimented with various solid materials like ceramics and sulfides. Fortunately, this progress accelerated in the 1970s with the advent of lithium-ion technology, which underscored the importance of finding more stable alternatives to liquid electrolytes. So, in recent years, the push for cleaner and more sustainable energy solutions has revitalized interest in solid-state batteries. Good news is, companies and research institutions are investing heavily in overcoming the remaining technical challenges, such as improving ionic conductivity and manufacturing scalability. As a result, today the vision of solid-state batteries is not just about enhanced safety and efficiency, but also about revolutionizing the energy storage industry and paving the way for electric vehicles and renewable energy systems to become even more prevalent and reliable. The past, present, and future of solid-state batteries tells a story of pushing forward in the ever-present quest for a better, greener world. Specifically in the context of the EV industry, solid-state batteries are going to be a game-changer. As we all know, one of the most significant barriers to EV adoption is range anxiety, which is the fear that an electric car will run out of power before reaching a charging station. Surprisingly, solid-state batteries, with their higher energy density, can substantially increase the range of electric vehicles, making them more appealing to consumers. As if that's not enough, the improved safety profile of solid-state batteries addresses another critical concern for potential EV buyers, which is safety. If you do some research, you will find out that high-profile incidents involving lithium-ion battery fires have raised questions about the safety of EVs. But solid-state batteries mitigate this risk, providing a safer alternative that could boost consumer confidence and accelerate the transition to electric mobility. For those worrying about EV prices, take note that longer lifespan of solid-state batteries also translates to lower total cost of ownership for EVs. If you come to think of it, you will find out that with batteries being one of the most expensive components of an electric vehicle, a longer-lasting battery means fewer replacements and lower maintenance costs over the vehicle's lifetime. Fun fact is BYD's chief scientist and engineer Lian Yuba, during the 2024 World New Energy Congress in China, said solid-state EV batteries could be widely used within the next 5 years. Do you think that has a high chance of happening or not? Well, let me know in the comments section, and thanks for watching.